Jerry Nard. Jerry Nard.
All right, what's going on, my people? I'm here with my man Christian. So we're at Chicagoland Mustang Club. How long, Christian? How long have you known about Chicagoland Mustang Club?
Honestly, just like 2 weeks. Honestly, about 2 weeks.
And so I've kind of followed them for years now, and I've tried to make it to every single meet. But what do you think of the meet so far?
This is great, man.
Yeah.
A lot of variety here.
Okay.
A lot of good cars.
Yeah. So when you pulled up, your car immediately caught my attention. Mainly because of the paint job, but of course,
thanks, man.
We just like we kind of talked about. You don't really see too many SN95 Mustangs out here. So, tell us about your car. What year is it?
So this is a '98. I got this about 6 years ago. Had different wheels on it. Didn't have the spoiler on it. There was some things I didn't have on it, but it's a '98, but it's got just a non-PI 4.6. Not much done to it. Kind of higher mileage engine, but the car's only got 84,000 miles on it.
Yeah.
So
what's the furthest you've driven this car?
Oh man, I've drove this all the way out to almost Galena.
Galena.
Yeah, it's
so for people who's not in the area, like how far is Galena?
About so from Bartlett, I could take 20 basically all the way, probably about 2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
and it ran flawless, right?
Oh yeah, I mean this thing burns like 2 quarts of oil. I mean it's like you can't beat the reliability of the Mustangs, honestly.
So what's your favorite thing about this car?
So when I first got it, I didn't like the color, to be honest, because it had chrome wheels. There was no black. So you'd see the car, it just looked like a banana driving down the road. So now it kind of looks more like I nickname it the yellow jacket.
The yellow, I like that. The yellow jacket, yeah.
So,
the yellow and black, yeah.
But now I like the color. I would say that's probably my favorite part about it, the color. Just kind of how these cars sound. They sound really clean. And probably the black wheels. That was one of the best things I think I did with the wheels, and then
the spoiler
and the accents, kind of. But
yeah, I like the black touches. Like even the fuel cap and the wheels, the spoiler. You know, the splitter in the front. I love that, those little accents to it. So what is this car for you?
This is just like if it's nice out, I'll drive it every day. As long as it's not raining or snowing, I'll drive it.
Yeah.
Like I said, it starts every time. I mean, compared to your setup, I don't have cats, so it does get kind of stinky a little bit, and you're like, oh, I'm getting a headache.
Yeah.
But yeah, to me, it's just kind of like a fun little weekend car. Just nice to hear the V8, drive around and cruise, but I do want to make it something that's got more power for sure.
Yeah, I think we all kind of have that.
Want your setup.
So let me ask you this real quick. What was it that got you into Mustangs? It's particularly this body style.
Oh, that's funny. So this body style, I don't really know, honestly. So my buddy had a New Edge in 03.
Yeah.
And it was just like kind of beat up. It didn't have the frame stiffeners, really flexy chassis. I'm like, it's just kind of a fun car. It sounds good.
Yeah.
It's cheap. I learned stick on his car, so probably that.
Okay.
And then I just found this car on Marketplace. It was a pretty good deal, and the guy that had it previously had a Bullet. So I mean, he wanted this thing gone mainly.
Yeah.
Just sitting in his garage collecting space. But yeah, I don't know, just it's a cheap V8 car, and I've always liked Ford.
Okay.
That's probably the main thing. Just cheap V8, Ford, reliable.
So you found the car, you have it, you've done some exterior stuff to it. What else have you done to it as far as mods?
So non-PI 4.6, but it's got full bolt-on, PI intake, cold air, long tube headers, catless X. And then I just got dumps. I don't have any mufflers.
Yeah.
Nice deep sound.
Yeah.
And then got coilovers on the front, tubular K member. Did the heavy duty rubber like poly motor mounts. So almost like right underneath solid mounts basically.
Okay.
And then I just did some racing seats. Did a oil pressure, boost gauge, which doesn't function, and then it's got an air fuel, which it actually came with.
Nice.
I think the car was definitely boosted before.
Okay.
And then I just got full suspension in the rear, weight jackers, kind of like
the
your
weight
setup.
jackets, yep.
And then got the aluminum diff bushings, and then it's just a 373 8.8, 20. I think it's 28 spline.
28 spline. Yep.
Not the 31s. I didn't upgrade it, so.
So you've done all that so far. What kind of future plans do you have for it?
Future plans probably. So I got a 4.6 short block that I got for a pretty good deal. It's got 40. They say 40,000 on it. I mean, it's still got all the factory cross hatchings and the cylinders, all that. I'm probably gonna build that. I'm just do modular head shop, stage 2 cams.
Yeah.
Do a Coyote, 15 and up Coyote rod. It's like a poor man's basically H-beam connecting rod.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So that'll kind of beef up the bottom end of the 4.6, and then do PI heads and I think run it NA for a while, and then eventually put probably a Vortec, or I don't know if I'll do turbo. We'll see.
Yeah.
Probably a
my
Vortec,
advice would be stay away from the turbos.
Oh yeah.
Unless I'll say this: unless you're getting a custom built turbo kit with maybe stainless headers or something like that. But I had a lot of problems on my turbo kit, but that's another story.
So go blower, basically.
Go blower, man. Go blower and go big.
Yeah.
All right, sweet, man. You have a social media you want to shout out?
I don't. I just got Instagram, but I don't have any stuff on my Instagram. Sadly.
All right, man. Well, hey, this is what you're gonna have to do. Since you have this beautiful SN95 here, you got to start posting it, because it's not that many of us who have these cars.
I will, man.
And you have a beautiful example of
you.
how these cars can look.
Thank you.
So, Christian, man, I appreciate you taking time going over this build, and I'm looking forward to more future things from you.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it a lot, man.
All right,
Thanks
I appreciate
for
you,
reviewing my car.
Yes, for sure.